Hi beauties, welcome again. So we're in the style. I want you guys to check out this beautiful, classy and sleek short hairstyles that will really help you to highlight your beautiful features. And this hairstyle will give you that modern yet sophisticated look, and it's one of the best hairstyles for beautiful black women. Just try and give your own factor to your look with this beautiful long short coily hairstyles. You can also slay this hairstyle by always giving your hair that nice moisturizer, which or the leave-in conditioner, which I've always talked about, like the MIELLE kit, or you can go for the Coils daughter. These products are easy to get, and they are not less than $7. You can get some of the kits like the leave-in conditioner or the mousse, because it will really give your hair that endearing and effortless look that goes well with any outfit you want to work on. You want to wear this haircut to any occasion. This hairstyle today will suit the occasion. So if you're bored of really letting your hair flow and really want to try something new, or you're planning for the hairstyles for your next appointment to your barber, I will advise you guys to go for this classic sleek haircut that will make you look beautiful, that will make you look gorgeous, that will take many years off your hair, off your age. And one thing about the style is that it looks great on all beautiful women, providing you that ultimate styling freedom as it take that little to no time to style. So go for this hairstyle, to give you that extra feeling you want, that you can finish with the hairspray and you are all set to work that occasion. If it's the first time on this channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell to always be notified whenever we upload a new video. Have this at the back of mind that short hairstyles never go out of style. You can see it for yourself. The hairstyles are beautiful hairstyles that is perfect for a morning or even an evening look, and it will go well with every face shape. Let me let you guys to just watch to the end of this video. God bless you guys, and see you in my next video.
I'll put you in front of my